Good morning everyone, so let me show you the Hilton Al Houara breakfast. So breakfast is served at the Argan restaurant, which has an excellent buffet style breakfast. They have a wide range of food selections, from pancakes to eggs cooked freshly, interesting Moroccan dishes, excellent pastries, and a very good choice of fruits and other items. And the Moroccan tea is really good, and there are so many choices that you can choose from. They have this section for marmalades and olive oil with the famous argan oil. There's a whole section dedicated alone for cakes, muffins, all sort of pastries, etc. So there's plenty of food for everyone to choose from. And if you are into cereals, you have a place here too. They have the salad section. They also have the cold section where you can choose from salmon, sliced meat, cheese, and plenty of breads, from white bread to dark bread to brown bread. Interestingly, a pink colored bread, which is first time I've seen in my entire life. On top of that, they also have these amazing freshly squeezed juices. They have carrot juice, orange juice, cucumber, and I think the other one is pineapple. Here in this section, they have the fruits, all sort of fruits. They have the fig. So yeah. And over here we have the warm food. To start with, we have pancakes and waffles and some traditional Moroccan bread. And they also have the traditional Moroccan dishes. So the chef is opening it for us one by one so we can see what they are. So there's plenty of food to choose from. And here we have the English breakfast. They also have section for kids where you can have these cupcakes, chocolate fountain, and yeah, with some fresh sliced fruits where you can like dip into the chocolate fountain and you can just eat straight from there. They also have a spot for cotton candy making. I think you have to ask someone to make it for you. And another section for coffee and tea, just in case you want to have one after eating. And the price for the entire breakfast per person is 400 Moroccan dirhams. I hope this video is helpful, and please like and subscribe.